Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. Numbers 34 verses 1 to 29:34. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, 2. Command the children of Israel, and tell them, when you come into the land of Canaan, this is the land that shall fall to you for an inheritance, even the land of Canaan according to its borders. 3. Then your south quarter shall be from the wilderness of Zin, along by the side of Edom, and your south border shall be from the end of the salt sea eastward. 4. The border shall turn about southward of the ascent of Akrabim, and pass along to Zin, and it shall pass southward of Kadesh Barnea, and it shall go from there to Hazar Adar, and pass along to Asmon. 5. The border shall turn about from Asmon to the brook of Egypt, and it shall end at the sea. 6. For the western border you shall have the great sea and its border. This shall be your west border. 7. This shall be your north border. From the great sea you shall mark out for yourselves Mount Hor. 8. From Mount Hor you shall mark out to the entrance of Hamath, and the border shall pass by Zedad. 9. Then the border shall go to Ziphron, and it shall end at Hazarenan. This shall be your north border. 10. You shall mark out your east border from Hazar-En to Shephem. 11. The border shall go down from Shephem to Riblah, on the east side of Ain. The border shall go down, and shall reach to the side of the sea of Chinnereth eastward. 12. The border shall go down to the Jordan, and end at the salt sea. This shall be your land according to its borders around it. 13. Moses commanded the children of Israel, saying, This is the land which you shall inherit by lot, which Yahweh has commanded to give to the 9 tribes and to the half-tribe. 14. For the tribe of the children of Reuben, according to their fathers' houses. The tribe of the children of Gad, according to their fathers' houses. And the half-tribe of Manasseh have received their inheritance. 15. The 2 tribes and the half-tribe have received their inheritance beyond the Jordan at Jericho eastward, toward the sunrise. 16. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, 17. These are the names of the men who shall divide the land to you for inheritance: Eleazar the priest, and Joshua the son of Nun. 18. You shall take 1 prince of every tribe to divide the land for inheritance. 19. These are the names of the men of the tribe of Judah: Caleb the son of Jephunneh. 20. Of the tribe of the children of Simeon: Shemuel the son of Ammiad. 21. Of the tribe of Benjamin: Elidad the son of Chislon. 22. Of the tribe of the children of Dan a prince: Buki the son of Jogli. 23. Of the children of Joseph: of the tribe of the children of Manasseh, a prince, Haniel the son of Ephod. 24. Of the tribe of the children of Ephraim, prince, Kemuel the son of Shipton. 25. Of the tribe of the children of Zebulun, a prince, Elizaphan the son of Parnak. 26. Of the tribe of the children of Issachar, a prince, Paltiel the son of Azan. 27. Of the tribe of the children of Asher, a prince, Ahihud the son of Shalomi. 28. Of the tribe of the children of Naphtali, a prince, Pedahel the son of Ammion. 29. These are they whom Yahweh commanded to divide the inheritance to the children of Israel in the land of Canaan. Thank you so much for joining me in watching and learning about Numbers chapter 34, verses 1 to 29. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.